I'm sure you've seen tons of viral videos on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and other social media, right? You know, the ones with hybrid animals created by AI. These videos are getting millions of views in no time, and those millions of views are racking up thousands of dollars. So I'm guessing you'd love to make some easy money too. Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it. I've got a simple and easy method that anyone can follow. No video editing or tech skills needed. You can even do it for free, though if you go for the paid plan, it'll be faster and easier. I'll make it easy for you, and it'll actually give you even better results than other methods. All right, no more wasting time. Let's jump right in. Go to ChatGPT and write this. Write prompts for the following pairs of animals: lion and elephant, gorilla and deer, snake and cat, rat and butterfly, peacock and duck, in the same style as this prompt, cow and tiger. Adjust each prompt accordingly, and then paste this prompt. You can find it in the description or comments. You don't have to use the same animals I've given. You can change the animals, add more, or remove some. You can even alter the prompt if you want. This is just a guide to help you. The prompts are now ready, and you can find the full guide in the description or comments. Now we need to move on to the next step, generating images with these prompts. To generate images, you can use TensorArt or Glyph. I've made tutorials for both platforms on how to create images with them, as they are the best and free. I'll leave the video link in the comments. But I'll also show you how you can use Flux Pro V1.1 Ultra. Search for Glyph in your browser. You can log in with your Google account. Once you are logged in, click on Build. Then click on Add Block, choose Image Generator, and paste the prompt ChatGPT created for us. Now select the model and choose Flux Pro V1.1 as it is the best. For the image size, we will choose Landscape 16:9. Then click on Run Glyph. Sometimes the image may not meet your expectations, so you may need to run Glyph again with the same prompt. Each time you run it, you will see different images and can choose the best one. I hope everything is clear up to this point. If anything is still unclear, go back and review it again. All the images will be generated in this same way, so I won't show the entire process for each image to avoid wasting time. You just need to follow the same steps for each one. First, we created images with two animals in one frame. Now, we need to create additional images that show the hybrid animal, a combination of the two. In ChatGPT, write the same as before and paste the second prompt, and it will write for you. But you can also write them one by one. I'm showing you a shortcut. And this is what ChatGPT has given us. We have to do the same thing as before. Go to Glyph, paste the prompt, and create the images. Now that we have created the images, it's time to turn them into videos. Search for Kling in your browser. Click here. Log in with your Google account. Click on AI Videos. Then click on Image to Video, and turn on Add End Frame. Now add the two images we have created. First, add the image of the two animals in one frame, and the second will be the hybrid of the two animals. This will be the end frame. Now, in the prompt, write, "Two animals leap and collide with each other and merge as one hybrid beast." You can find this prompt in the description. In the settings, set creativity to around 0.7 so it follows more of our prompt. In our case, I've already created this before, but I'm showing you how I did it. You may need to create multiple images if Kling or any video generator doesn't give you a good result. For some, I've tried several times until I got a good outcome. You'll be spending credits, so if you try 2 to 3 times and don't get a good result, go back and adjust the image to make it look more natural. This approach tends to work better with realistic-looking images rather than something that doesn't actually exist. For example, a cow with a horn on its forehead might not work as well. As for the second image, the end frame with the hybrid animal, feel free to get creative with the shape or anything you like. It will work fine. But for the first image, which should look more natural, it tends to work better without spending too many credits. If you learned something, like the video, and if you want to learn more, subscribe. It's that easy. Please share the video too. Stay updated, keep learning with me, and let's grow together.